Che. Make una come follow me see o. Wahala don jam trouble as Nollywood actress Tonto Dike and her lover boy Prince Kpokpo gree don jam rock as they officially sign out from love matter and sign into battle of the fittest. As I dey talk to you now, two of them don sign am say anywhere wey dem see theirself, one person teeth must comot. Una go remember say two of them don unfollow theirself for Instagram after a voice note leak out wey the upcoming politician dey talk say Tonto Dike wey suppose be im missing rib no wan gree stop to dey smoke. Say as e be like this now, if im come marry person like Tonto Dike put for im house, that mean say e go use im nose dey do silencer for im house. You see, the matter go hard am to solve. Tonto Dike too come out come talk say na God save her for the relationship, say Prince Kpokpo gree na stray bullet, say as im be so na blackmailer im be, say im dey blackmail for a living, as im main work for life na to blackmail people. Una go remember say Nollywood actress Tonto Dike last marriage with Olakunle Churchill no end well. It end with gbas as she come online and grant a lot of interviews to drag her ex-husband like generator wey don spoil. E no be like say I dey talk too much, make una lis ten to some of the things she said and some of the interview wey she grant by una self. I dey come.
I dealt with him. I dealt with him. If Churchill slapped me once, I slapped him 10 times before the second slap landed. He did not know what was hitting him. If he hit me, bro, if anything, if I just see one hurricane blood on my body, I'm burning down his whole clothes. And you know he like to buy designer. I'll burn down the whole clothes, burn down everything on the floor. In fact, there's a time I locked him outside. I put his things outside, snapped his the clothes outside, no box, not there, threw it outside in front of my house, pour ketchup, cold, snap it and sent to all his family. I said, tell your son to come and pick his things because he's not entering his house again. That day he didn't sleep at home. His mother begged. Oh, yes, you're a madman. That's my father. You're a madman. You mean that you lock him outside the house and all the family members are begging you like you are coach? I said, Daddy, you don't understand. This one's, I see it. If I was still with Churchill till today, Churchill would have died. I give you my poison. Simple as that. And I would not have any, not one bad thing, as in feeling bad, guilty. No guilt. I'll walk away with, oh, I'm a widow. Because it was better that I became a widow than all this kind of back and forth.
Yes, so that's not the voice of Tonto Dike. Yes, King Tonto Dike. Wetin happen for her previous marriage with Olakunle Churchill. Make we go see some of the interview wey she grant and wetin she talk for the interview. Make una judge with una eyes.
The first time when I met him, cheating was never a problem because he had a sexual problem. He has premature ejaculation. And it's a very shameful thing, a man that can spend up to 10 seconds inside a woman. It's a very shameful thing. So in my head, this guy has a disease. He knows he has a sickness. He's going to be ashamed to go out and go sleeping with girls because they are going to laugh at him. That's what was in my head. So that's how I think. So it never occurred to me that he was a cheat or he is a cheat.
What's that you're holding?
I just wanted the world to see this piece of jewelry right here. 1, 2, and 3. These are baby clothes. These are baby clothes. And this. These are the only ever things that Churchill has ever bought for his son. Since the day I gave birth to my son up until today. The first birthday, nothing. Second birthday, nothing. Third year birthday, nothing. So this is a man who is constantly lying on Instagram that he's taking care of his son. These are the only piece of that a father has given to a 3-year-old son. Everything my son has is from me. Used as Mr. Dike. Like a married man under me, not Dike, I mean, yeah, as in being married to me. That's the first opportunity he had to travel outside this country. And that was what he got for his son.
And is this a gold necklace?
It is a gold necklace you can get anywhere. Alaba market. You can, what is this? This is a twist.
And this is what he's gotten for his son.
This is all he has gotten for his son. If Churchill, if you do have proof that you've gotten more, I'd like to see receipts. Because my son lives with me and that property that you claim had better be in my son's possession. Because I'm ready to, I'm not here to joke anymore.
What property is he claiming?
No, he said he buys things for my son. Sometimes I can't even forgive myself for being involved with this man. I have never been to London to see this man's mother. I only know she lives in a community house. She works in a psychiatric hospital. Is dating a taxi driver. But I have never been to London since I met this man.
Una welcome back. This na some of the interview wey Nollywood actress Tonto Dike grant during by the time wey she and Churchill bin dey do their gbas on social media. A lot of things bin happen that period o. If una remember, Tonto Dike wey dey accuse Churchill say im dey sleep with im mistress Rosie wey be her colleague for the industry. Meanwhile, Rosie bin don come out come deny am o, say dem be just friends. E no reach few months after their breakup, two of them come hook up. As I dey talk to you now, the two of them don finally marry. So tey they don born one boy pikin wey Churchill dey call the real king. Una go ask me why I dey bring up this matter. Na because the family be like say dem use king do them something. Because Tonto Dike say she sef her name na king, her son name na king. Churchill sef come name him pikin the real king. E come be like say na king family. No wonder the family no gree stand, because where three king dey, war go dey there. After the whole drama wey Tonto Dike use her eye see for inside relationship, everybody believe say by now she go don learn her lesson. If she get another relationship, she go know how to treat the relationship well. Later, e no reach anything, she come introduce somebody to us wey dey call Prince Kpokpogri. As some people dey bash her say she no learn anything from her last relationship wey she dey showcase online, na so some people still dey praise her say yes, she try, God don give her another one. That's to show say there is hope for the hopeless. People still dey online dey type God when on top Kpokpogri and Tonto Dike love boat. E no reach anything, na the boat go hit rock inside sea. The love capsized. As well-wishers and lovers of Tonto Dike dey try to fix the relationship, try to fix the boat, they believe say e go work, e go work, e go work. Boom! Na so different voice note begin dey drop on social media. Come dey reveal different kind of matter wey dey sup inside the relationship. Make una use una ear hear wetin dey happen o.
How far you and Gracie now?
Who be JC?
I said Gracie. Grace. That girl.
I never see that girl. Oh.
But una two run things last time. Now why I connect una together?
I say if forecast me.
And una can't go wear blue and blue.
Yes, and I don't see some Asaba actress when they know me, when the ones when I don't fuck before, like Uku Venza, Crystal Official. I see all of that there. I bone them. I never look them twice.
I like waiting you do. Before you know, if people go carry, and you don't know say na blue she wear. She, you can't go wear.
I don't know. I can't go wear blue and blue.
Kai, they for really post you, cause say Prince went to his other girlfriend's shop opening. Before you know, I don't know why bloggers, I don't know where they gather news from, I swear. Before you know, they don't carry person matter. They post everywhere. And Tonto Dike go come see her now, come they say her. Now wow. And I know all those things, good for you. I like waiting you do. Just come. Because when our priest where everybody they manage, he reach her thought she won't misbehave. We go find out.
You just be nice people come up from my house. Leave my house. No, I say no. I said please don't do that. Stop it. Stop it.
Maybe she no do.
I said these people were in my life before you came. So don't do that.
Who she can't be? Who? I bet make she get out. She dey find where she won't hang leg. Do finish. Cause see person way even accept her. She won't pursue everybody come on. Make she no do. Our priest everybody they manage. He wish I thought she won't call seize you. Marry you. God no agree. Hey, God, but I don't know how you take enter this kind of toxic relationship. You safe. Now wow. You get mind to date celebrity. Come marry celebrity. No easy.
That na some of the things wey dey happen inside the relationship matter between Kpokpogri and Tonto Dike. As the matter be right now, we dey hear say Tonto Dike don arrest Kpokpogri for trying to release her nude pictures online and for trying to blackmail her. But Kpokpogri don come outside, come do video for Instagram, talk say nobody arrest am and nobody fit arrest am. Say if anybody get evidence against him, as then talk say him be blackmailer, make them present the evidence according to wetin the law talk. No be the one where they go come online, come dey rant, they talk anything where they want talk. Make una use una eye see the video where him do.
I've never been arrested by anybody. No security agency have served me any letter. You know, I'm still waiting. You know, so if you have anything against me, go to the appropriate authority and present your petition, and I will reply to them all. We have law that govern us in this country. Don't think you can just come to the general public. You just came because you can afford to buy cheap data. You know, like I see some idiot coming to my inbox, be sending me all sorts of useless message. Those people where they say thunder fire me, thunder fire them.
Una don use una ear hear wetin Kpokpogri talk after news dey fly around say they don arrest am. To get more update on this issue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel on Gossip TV and follow me on social media, Instagram at Comedian Ellis and Facebook at Comedian Ellis. Please subscribe and get more updates. Thank you.